Life is more important than anything else.
Agree.
Now life ही नहीं होगा तो बाकी क्या करोगे आप? So if your health is not there, life is not there, then job हुआ, आपका कोई भी काम हुआ, people have an impression that कि हाई एल्टीट्यूड में बिना लिकर लिए या बिना नॉन वेज के आप नहीं रह सकते. I am one example. I have never touched the liquor in being in the army. I have never touched non-veg. I am pure vegetarian.
वो कहते हैं ना कि ओवरनाइट सक्सेस जैसा कुछ होता नहीं है. It takes years and months and years to achieve it.
Fear का सबसे बड़ा तरीका है उसको ओवरकम करने के लिए टेक एक्शन. एग्जाम आ रहा है, आपको फियरफुल हो रहा है, क्या करना है? पढ़ाई करो भाई, तैयारी करो, आपका फियर खत्म हो जाएगा. इफ यू आर रेडी फॉर दैट, फियर खत्म हो जाएगा.
So try to be honest and genuine one. वो बोलते हैं ना, अपनी लकीर को बड़ी करो, दूसरों की छोटी करने की कोशिश मत करो, वरना फिर वो रह जाओगे.
एब्सोल्युटली. एसएसबी में ये नहीं है कि इतनी वैकेंसी है, हमारे पास 100 वैकेंसी है तो 100 बंदे हमें 1 लाख से लेने ही लेने. यदि 100 बंदे 1 लाख में फिट नहीं बैठते, मतलब वो 100 बंदे भी 1 लाख के अंदर सूटेबल नहीं है, तो ऑल कैन बी रिजेक्टेड.
हेलो, नमस्ते, वेलकम, सुस्वागतम, जय हिंद. स्वागत है आपका आज के इस एक्सपर्ट टॉक शो में. टुडे इज एक्सपर्ट टॉक शो एपिसोड नंबर 162 and today we will have Colonel Tyagveer Raghava who will be speaking on Win Life Like a Warrior. So this will be very inspirational podcast and stay tuned. But before we invite our expert of the day, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Vipul the Wonderful, and press the bell icon to get our regular updates. So Lieutenant Colonel Tyagveer Raghava, who is a veteran from Indian Army now on a mission to transform million lives by sharing life experience of success and failure. So let's hear more from our guest of the day, our expert, and let's invite him on our platform. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Welcome on this Expert Talk Show.
Thank you for inviting me for the Expert Talk Show, your episode number 162, and which is hosted by. I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you.
My pleasure, sir. It's always my pleasure to have you and to get inspiration from a veteran like you. So would love to have the conversations and the knowledge sharing from you. So let us start the session with the very first basic question, sir. So what inspired you to leave a stable technical career and join the Indian Army?
Bipul, I take back to you sometime in 1984. I just finished my engineering and I was working in one of the very prestigious public sector undertaking, that was Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and it was in Nasik. So, that job of mine was in the quality control, where it used to be in the laboratory where I was supposed to certify the functioning of avionics equipment of MiG aircrafts. It was a routine job, mundane thing. From morning to evening, you come to the lab, keep checking those equipment, normally the radio equipment, direction finders, or avionics system of MiG aircraft were there. So, after some time, you feel that, yeah, what exactly aap kar kya rahe ho? Means there is nothing which you are doing any creative. It was a routine job. That was one thing. I switched over to another department of electronics, which was in Delhi. And तभी शुरू हुई थी ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रीजनल टेस्ट लैबोरेटरीज. Again, I was in a climatic control lab where computers, this calculators and all, तभी वो इंडक्ट हुए थे बहुत ज़्यादा. तो जैसे ISI का मार्क दिया जाता था बाकी इक्विपमेंट्स के लिए, कंप्यूटर्स और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम के लिए ERTL जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रीजनल टेस्ट लेबोरेटरी, वो सर्टिफिकेशन देती थी, इससे आपके प्रोडक्ट की वैल्यू बढ़ जाती। अगेन वही लैब में आप काम कर रहे हो और करा रहे हो और उसके बाद में आप चले जाना, अगेन देयर no mental satisfaction. But you know, the how this seed was germinated in the mind for the armed forces. Again, we go back to my when or so, you know, one of my relative who was already in the army, and whenever he used to visit our native place, so you know, जब उनको देखते थे, तो the way he used to interact, the way he used to communicate, or the way he used to stand, to dress up, everything was different. And I used to wonder कि यार आदमी को बीच में खड़ा कर दिया जाए तो I can pinpoint कि he is from a different organization. And that was something in the back of mind. Yeah, no wonder army is the best win, because you can be differentiated from the rest of the crowd. So Bipul, that was the, I think, beginning, and that was in the back of the mind. That right, being a technical graduate, I worked for 2 companies, and you're right, both were government service, and it was very stable. I was very close to my native place also. That time we were staying in Ghaziabad, which is very close to Delhi, but somewhere not very happy. So within 7 months, it happened that I saw an advertisement in the newspaper or somewhere that technical engineering graduates are required for Indian Army, and I applied for that. Got a call, and the moment I got a call, I gave my best, and rest is the history.
Wow, that's very much inspiring. So, what were the biggest lessons from clearing SSB in your very first attempt, and that too with the fact that only 5% is the selection rate?
There is no doubt, Bipul, that asset is or less. But you know, I tell you, एक चीज मैं बताता हूँ, especially जो viewers अभी देखेंगे, you know, SSB में ये नहीं है कि इतनी वैकेंसी है हमारे पास, 100 वैकेंसी है तो 100 बंदे हमें 1 लाख से लेने ही लेने। यदि 100 बंदे 1 लाख में फिट नहीं बैठते, मतलब वो 100 बंदे भी 1 लाख के अंदर suitable नहीं है, तो all can be rejected. Army is not interested to select even one if they are not suitable. Even it could be lakhs or more. Okay. But if you are suitable, then they will find you. They will search from anywhere and make you an officer. तो सीखने वाली बात जहां तक ये है, वो इम्पोर्टेंट ये है जो मेरे व्यूअर्स को जो मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि वहां आपको ये नहीं सोचना है कि यदि आपको एसएसबी में जा रहे, यू वांट टू पोर्ट्रे योरसेल्फ एज एन ऑफिसर. यू आर नॉट एन ऑफिसर एज येट, यू आर जस्ट ए कैडेट. सो बी नेचुरल, be natural. You are, they are looking for that 3 things they look for. Okay, authenticity. का मतलब क्या है, जो बहुत सारे लोग इसको करते हैं. मैं उन एस्पिरेंट को बताना चाहता हूं जो डिफेंस ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं. ऑथेंटिसिटी का मतलब है कि जिंदगी में आप जो बोलते हैं और आप जो सोचते हैं और आप जो ग्राउंड पर करते हैं, तीनों में हार्मोनी होनी चाहिए. ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप सोचते कुछ हैं, बोलते कुछ और हैं और ग्राउंड पर कुछ और करते हैं. वो डिटेक्ट हो जाएगा. में जो आपके ऑफिसर्स हैं, इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर्स हैं, चाहे वो जीटीओ है, चाहे वो साइकोलॉजिस्ट है, चाहे वो इंटरव्यूअर है, they will see through you that you are fabricating the answers. So be natural, absolute natural. And you are not an officer there, you are a cadet. Bring out your best in your life, whatever is there, whether academics, whether physical, or whether personality test. Do your best and rest leave it to them. But don't try to fool the examiners there, because they have seen. So authenticity, authentic to yourself, and nobody knows yourself better than you.
True.
The moment you try to portray something different than what you are going to caught. So the best learning
So
is
try to be
always, yeah,
so try to be honest and genuine one. वो बोलते हैं ना, अपनी लकीर को बड़ी करो, दूसरों की छोटी करने की कोशिश मत करो, वरना
absolutely,
फिर वो रह जाओगे आप।
absolutely. So ये सबसे बड़ा लेसन है. अच्छा, और विपुल, लेट मी टेल यू, नॉट ओनली एसएसबी, जिंदगी में भी जब तक आप ऑथेंटिक हैं, ट्रांसपेरेंट हैं, ओके, कमिटेड हैं, ऑनेस्ट, सिंसियर हैं, I think you will succeed everywhere, whether it is SSB or whether in the private sector, public sector, or government.
I agree with
Be
you.
authentic, be accountable to yourself. Accountable means you know that what you are. Don't portray something which you are not. Yes,
True.
you should know yourself that what shortcomings you have, improve upon that. What strong points you have, capitalize on them. And that is an ongoing process, lifelong process.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने कि अपनी यू शुड बी नोइंग कि आपकी कमियाँ क्या है, वो आपको पता होनी चाहिए, और उसको ओवरकम करने के लिए या उसको इम्प्रूव करने के लिए आपको एफर्ट्स लगाने हैं, एंड आपकी जो स्ट्रेंथ है उसको आपको
Capitalize.
आगे रख के कैपिटलाइज करना है, प्रोग्रेस करना है. दैट इज ट्रू.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
वेरी ट्रू. सो
Just giving you an example. For example, like SSB की बात आपने, हो सकता है आप ऐसे एनवायरनमेंट जहां आपकी लैंग्वेज अच्छी नहीं हो सकती है, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इतनी उस पर कंट्रोल नहीं है. They are not bothered about that much. They know, okay, once you come in that environment, you will improve upon that. But be what you are. Even if you give an answer in Hindi there, they don't bother. But that answer has to be correct. Answer has to be genuine. Answer has to be what it conveys your.
So, Indian Army की job is very challenging job. काफ़ी कुछ काफ़ी extreme conditions, extreme climates you would have seen throughout your career. So, how did this extreme climate and operational conditions shaped your leadership style?
So, Bipul, you raised a very valid question. Ki, how do you combat this extreme climatic conditions and the operational conditions? First thing is that we are taught when we go through the training at the Indian Military Academy, made mentally robust, mental tough. So we are supposed to negotiate with all kinds of environment, whether it is a climatic condition or operational readiness. Everything we have to take care of it, and we have to follow that. Now, let me give you an example from my personal life. You see, I was posted at multiple places. There was a militancy. There was a height of inclement weathers. Everywhere I got posted. So one example I will give you of militancy. You know, I don't know whether you recall that there was, when we joined army, there was a height of militancy in Punjab, that Bhindarwali thing. Okay. And we were posted in Batinda. That was the first unit. We were asked, भाई आपको वहां से कुछ कोरियर होता है, सब सीक्रेट डॉक्यूमेंट लेके आपको बठिंडा से जाना है चंडी मंदिर, और वहां जाके उनको सबमिट करना है. Now, first thing is that you are carrying secret documents. Second thing is that you are carrying weapon, and you are the one along with two more person. So you are responsible for that weapon. You are responsible for those documents. You are responsible for those two men with the weapon and for yourself. And it was the peak of Operation Blue Star hua. And when I was on the station, you have to be vigilant. आपको ये सिखलाई दी है किस तरीके से आपको ऐसे रहना है जिससे कि you are observant also. Somebody should not come snatch your weapon, because this was happening that time. Somebody should not come and attack on you, take the secret document. So what you do? You take a position in such a way that you are secured from one side and rest in the front. You are observing. If something happens, you are ready for that. Then throughout the journey, again you are ready that this box is bigger than your life itself. You are supposed to carry those documents safely to the destination at the cost of your life. So you have to be that vigilant. So this is the part. It's taught. It is ingrained in your mind. Example of militants area. I was posted in Manipur. There is a place called, is a very 4-second place is called Lima Kong. Posting आई थी Lima Kong में तो मैप में भी कहीं दिखाई नहीं देता. It's not seen. Even you might have not heard even this name.
No, first time. True.
So, yeah. So when we got there, and we didn't know, we also didn't find it. But finally, we have to reach there. We reached there. We reported there. We joined the unit. Too much of militancy in the northeast. So whenever you are moving from your unit location to a place called Imphal, it is near Imphal, which is the capital of Manipur, or you are coming back, you have to take weapons, you have to take those vehicles, and when you are going in, you are vigilant, observant, you are so cautious that yes, because from anywhere the firing will come, anywhere the people can ambush you. Then you are traced. If you get ambushed, you have to come down, you have to disperse, you have to take position, and then react to the fire which is coming from. So this is our concern. There are multiple situations where you act upon that. Third thing is extreme. So that is where I was posted in a place called Nimu, which is very close to Leh, which is around 10 height is there. But you know, temperature goes as low as minus 10, 20, even 30. There another place where I was having where the temperature goes to minus 40. So that place is Dras, and another place is Khumbathang. These are all near Kargil. So initially we were at Nimu, and then we moved to the near Kargil, which is called Khumbathang and Dras, which temperature goes as low as minus. The only place in the world where the is there, habitation is there, and the temperature goes. So how to combat that? How to take care of yourself there? The very first thing, those who are listening, okay, even the those who are aspirant to join the army, or those who are still in the army, that first thing is you should need to exercise yourself every day. Though it is a routine in the army, that morning PT, evening games are a routine. But sometimes if it is not happening, even as an individual, you should yourself fit. There's a lot of
doesn't matter if you missed in the morning, then throughout the day kabhi bhi karna hai, but daily.
But as an individual, nobody stops you. See, if there are some days where this is not there, maybe because of snowfall, because of something, the PT is cancelled. You do it. You have to. There is no other way out to keep yourself fit unless you are working on yourself. You have to keep yourself physically fit. That is the first requirement.
You rightly said. होता क्या है कि हमारी हैबिट होती है कि मॉर्निंग में, मतलब ऐसा माइंडसेट बोलो या ऐसी हैबिट बोलो कि एक्सरसाइज तो मतलब मॉर्निंग में उठ के पहले ही करना है. तो कई बार ऐसा होता है कि मॉर्निंग में ड्यू टू सम और अदर रीजन मिस हो जाता है, तो फिर छोड़ देते कि चलो आज नहीं करना है, मॉर्निंग नहीं हुआ तो नहीं करना. बट आई फील कि वो आपको करना चाहिए. मॉर्निंग में मिस कर गए तो भी आपको ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम आपको करना चाहिए. सो वो एक हैबिट बनेगा आपका. What do you say?
So Vipul, the point is, what is important in this thing is, life is more important than anything else.
Agree. True.
Now life ही नहीं होगा तो बाकी क्या करोगे आप? So if your health is not there, your life is not there, then job हुआ, आपका कोई भी काम हुआ, is anything important than yourself, your life itself? So if you think that, you will not give any excuse कि आज बारिश हो गया, कि आज धूप ज्यादा हो गई, कि आज मैं लेट उठा. No way. The moment you know that if I am there, everything is there. Now, another thing in that is, see, within that body, so body is here and you are this. Okay. Now you are is the life. Life is residing within the body. Now this body, the body will not take care of the life.
True.
If you don't maintain yourself as a body, then body will leave the life. It will disappear. So it will go to somewhere else. So who will take care of that? It is you only, nobody else. Then keep giving any amount of excuse, it doesn't make a difference.
True. True.
So that life is more important than anything else in the life itself. So exercise करना है. अच्छा, ये यदि आप करते रहते हैं तो कैसा भी इंक्लीमेंट वेदर हो, दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग आई एम टेलिंग, दैट इज कैसा भी इंक्लीमेंट वेदर हो, सब मैनेज होता है. आई एम टेलिंग यू इन द वर्स्ट ऑफ द सिनेरियो, जब इतना स्नोफॉल कुछ भी होता था, रन एटलीस्ट 5 to 10 किलोमीटर एवरी डे. बैंक ऑफ सोरन रिवर साइड में जो सोरन रिवर आप देखना, उसमें खुम्बाथांग डाल के नियर कारगिल एक सोरन रिवर है, वो फ्रोजन हो जाती है विंटर में, ऊपर इट इज फ्रोजन, बट साइड में रोड पे यू कैन जस्ट, और एक बार आपने वर्कआउट कर लिया मॉर्निंग में, देन द डे विल गो ब्यूटीफुल, won't be any problem, and that is the only way to keep yourself fit in the high altitude area. आप अच्छा खाना खाइए, चाहे वेज हो चाहे नॉन वेज हो. और एक और मिथ ना चाहता हूं, पीपल हैव ए इंप्रेशन दैट कि हाई एल्टीट्यूड में बिना लिकर लिए या बिना नॉन वेज के आप नहीं रह सकते. आई एम वन एग्जांपल. आई हैव नेवर टच द लिकर इन बीइंग इन द आर्मी. आई हैव नेवर टच द नॉन वेज. आई एम प्योर वेजिटेरियन. And I went shape 1 in the army. Shape 1 means absolutely fit. And when I came out from the army after 23 years, I came in the shape 1 without any issue.
So that is inspiring for.
I have run.
That is inspiring for our youth, because today's is youth.
Yeah,
today's
I am
youth.
now. I am 64 just because of the army. Last year I ran 1 marathon. Last marathons.
Wow.
Okay, and those 4 marathons include 10 kilometer each and 115 kilometer. Last year I ran one of them 10 kilometer, and that is just because of that habit which I inculcated being in the army.
Wow.
So army, what gives you in the kinds, no other organization can give. But ultimately it is you have to do. You have to be committed to yourself.
You will have to be the torch bearer. No one can lead your life.
Yeah. Nobody else can run for take care of health of yours.
True. Very true.
Yeah.
So what does winning life like a warrior truly means to you?
Yes. Now let's come to the warrior. You know, अभी हमने देखा था कि there were a lot of connotations. There was COVID warriors were there. Okay. There were warriors. Warrior could be of in any department, in any field. Means warrior doesn't mean that you have to put an army uniform and be on the border and fight with the enemy. No. Warrior connotation, which I feel, is more applicable in the civil environment. You be a warrior of your life. Anywhere, army, defense तो है ही, armed forces तो है ही. But other than armed forces, anywhere in the world or anywhere in the life, you have to be warrior of yourself. Now, what does it mean? The first thing is that you have to be fearless. See, fear is a false evidence appearing real. FEAR. That means false evidence appearing real.
Wow.
एग्जाम होता है, हमें डर लगता है कि पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा है, लेकिन जब एग्जाम हो जाता है उसके दूसरे दिन कुछ हुआ, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. वेयर एवर यू अपनी जर्नी को याद करो, आप लुक बैक योर लाइफ, और उसको जब आपने ओवरकम कर लिया, आपको ये तो मैं तो ऐसे ही परेशान हो रहा था. And it's not required that one has to put on uniform and then he has to with the weapon and stand there on the LOC or LAC. and assume himself warrior. The real meaning of the warrior is that one has to be fearless in life, because fear कुछ होता ही नहीं है. Fear का सबसे बड़ा तरीका है उसको ओवरकम करने के लिए टेक एक्शन. एग्जाम आ रहा है, आपको फियरफुल हो रहा है, क्या करना है? पढ़ाई करो भाई, तैयारी करो, आपका फियर खत्म हो जाएगा. इफ यू आर रेडी फॉर दैट, फियर खत्म हो जाएगा. और यदि आप ये थिंक करते रहोगे, अरे एग्जाम आ रहा है, एग्जाम आ रहा है, ओवर थिंक करते रहोगे, तो वो जो फियर था वो मॉन्स्टर बन जाएगा. और मॉन्स्टर क्या करता है? आपको पैरालाइज कर देगा. So don't allow fear to become a monster. Take action. Whatever action you can take. Take action towards solving that problem. इसकी वजह से आपको fear हो रहा है. That is the first thing. Second thing is 3F. I'm talking about 3Fs to become a warrior. Second thing is be a fierce. Fierce मतलब aggressive. जो करना है उसको aggression लेके करना. Aggression means कमिटमेंट से 100% कमिटमेंट देख, फोकस होके. सो द फियरलेस, फियर्स, एंड द थर्ड थिंग इज फेलिंग फॉरवर्ड. फियर किस चीज का होता है? फेलियर,
फेल होने का.
फियर ऑफ जजमेंट, फियर ऑफ अननोन, फियर ऑफ मिसिंग आउट. ओके, सबसे बड़ा फियर जो है, जो सबसे खतरनाक है, लोग क्या कहेंगे. आई कॉल इट एलकेजी.
सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग बोलते हैं ना.
ओके, तो वो जो फियर ऑफ फेलियर है ना, दैट इज अगेन नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. सो व्हाट इज द फियर ऑफ फेलियर इज, व्हाट थर्ड थिंग आई सेड, थर्ड एफ, फेल फॉरवर्ड. जिंदगी में फेल जरूरी है. फेल सब होते हैं इस दुनिया में. आज तक कोई नहीं है जो सक्सेसफुल हुआ है जो फेल नहीं हुआ है. फेल होने के सक्सेसफुल होता है, क्योंकि फेल इज नॉट ए एंड ऑफ सक्सेस. फेल इज इट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टुवर्ड द सक्सेस. इट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू, एंड देन सो द फेल इज टू टाइप, एंड फेल बैकवर्ड. व्हाट इज फेल फॉरवर्ड इज you are running, you've fallen down. What you do? You get up again start running. That is failing forward. Failing backward is, अरे मैं तो गिर गया, चोट लग गया, I am not running, I stopped. This happened with me last year. In Aravali Hills, there was a one event called Trailathon. मतलब it is in the undulating ground which is rocky, and there is a 15-kilometer run. So while coming back, 7.5 kilometer going, 7.5 kilometer coming back, just around a 1.5 kilometer short of it, I had a fall. I hit one boulder and I had a fall, bad fall. And I was doing very well. I was coming very fine. I got up. Somebody said, "Sir, may I help you?" I said, "Not required." So there were two options. I stopped it because nobody is going to question me. But then I didn't. I completed, and I was the first in my age category.
Wow,
I got a gold medal for that.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
So that is called failing forward. कोई भी failure हो, stop. I give you another example. Addition, जिसने इसकी वजह से आज हम रोशनी में बैठे हुए हैं. You know how many times he failed? Can you guess?
Around 10,000 times has.
Yes.
Heard.
10,000 times he failed. After that only he invented the bulb. Addition यदि चाहता तो वो क्या जरूरत थी उसको? उसकी लैब भी जल गई थी भाई. Lab. Everybody was crying. He was laughing. He started from scratch. That is failing forward. So जिंदगी में भाई मेरे दोस्त जो सुन रहे हैं आप, you should be fearless. You should be fierce. You should be failing forward. Never worry about the failure.
Very true. आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा. Failing forward. बट वो फेलिंग
Yes.
फॉरवर्ड के लिए एक वो होल्ड होल्ड बैक करके रखता है आदमी को, जो पुल बैक करता है. सो सो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, व्हाट आर द मोस्ट कॉमन मेंटल बैरियर्स दैट होल्ड पीपल बैक? वो फेलिंग फॉरवर्ड को रोकने वाला जो फैक्टर क्या होता है?
Yes. So, विपुल, एक एक बड़ा सुंदर सा वर्ड है which we call it a limiting beliefs. Those limiting beliefs pull you back. And what are those? These are the beliefs which you create for yourself since your early days. Parents ने बोल दिया, बेटा no, 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 you are too thin. Okay, अच्छा, you can't do this, you can't do that, don't try this. वो एक मेंटल मैप बनते चले जाते हैं दिमाग में. कभी टीचर्स ने बोला, कभी फ्रेंड्स ने बोला, कभी तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स ने बोला. सो वो जो नेगेटिविटी है और जो मेंटल मैप्स है वो दिमाग में एक लेयर बन जाती है. यस, लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स, आई कांट डू दिस, नो, दिस इज नॉट माय कप ऑफ टी. बोलते हैं ना हम, दिस इज नॉट माय कप ऑफ टी. आई कांट रन, आई कांट गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग यार एंड गो टू द जिम. Those are the limiting beliefs. Because of those limiting beliefs, you draw a line and say that I just can't do this. And you don't do that. This is the biggest problem. Then you start procrastinating. And everything starts from fear. You know, होता क्या है, जिंदगी में आपके साथ कोई एक वाकया हो, कोई एक इंसिडेंट हो गया, जैसे which were not pleasant in your life. Okay. Now, आपने क्या किया? आप, लाइफ तो चलती रहती है, लाइफ तो रुकती नहीं. आज कोई इंसिडेंट हुई, एक साल बाद आप जब दोबारा, लाइफ तो चल रही है, तो क्या करेंगे? आपने कुछ सोचा, देन उसके बाद में थिंकिंग के बाद में कुछ इमोशंस आपके आए. इमोशन आए तो आपको माइंड ने बोला कि ये काम करो, आपने वो काम किया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप माउंट एवरेस्ट पे जा रहे हो. ये मैंने कुछ ऐसे इंटरव्यू किए हैं. देयर इज वन अफसर, इसको रानी. इन द फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट सी फेल्ड. सी फेल्ड मीन्स आधे रास्ते से, जस्ट शॉर्ट ऑफ हाईएस्ट पीक माउंट एवरेस्ट, शी केम बैक एंड शी क्राइड अ लॉट वंस शी केम बैक. But you know what her mother said? Mother said, don't blame anybody else. You are a coward. You are a coward. That is why you couldn't scale the Mount Everest. This learning, she took it in her mind. What? Next 2 years, she practiced so hard. ऑफिस भी जा रही है तो 5-5 किलो के वजन पैरों में लेके वो ऑफिस में जा रही है. Then water tank, जो cantonment area, she climbing those. She did all these practice for Tibet. You know what happened? The same point, उसी पॉइंट पे उसको वो याद आ गया, यार यहां से मैं कैसे जाऊंगी. Mind again triggered. Mind always plays a very dirty tricks with you.
True.
Always will play. The moment this came to mind, she also reminded of. She mother said कि तुम किसी को blame नहीं कर सकती हो because of your cowardness. They remembered that, and that was the fear. She will go, and she went and she did it. So fear plays a big role in not progressing in life, and it is your actions at that moment that I will continue doing, I will achieve my goal.
So why do people struggle to unlock from their past, and how can they overcome it?
So let me tell you, beautiful example I tell you is that why people struggle and why people don't progress in life. वेरी सिंपल इज दैट दे डोंट हैव ए क्लैरिटी इन द लाइफ कि करना क्या चाहते हैं। सबसे पहले क्लैरिटी नहीं होता, उसके बाद में कमिटमेंट नहीं होता है, उसके बाद में तो फिर रिजल्ट नहीं आता है। अब आप बोलोगे भाई क्लैरिटी क्या होती है? क्लैरिटी, अब मैं एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देना चाहता हूँ कि क्लैरिटी का मतलब क्या है। पीपल, आपने कार तो चलाते होंगे आप,
ट्रू, या
रात में भी चलाते होंगे।
हाँ,
तो जब आप रात में चलाते हो तो हेडलाइट से कितनी दूर तक दिखाई देता है?
मतलब हार्डली डिस्टेंस ऑफ 100 meters, 200 meters.
100 मीटर, वेरी राइट, वेरी राइट, नॉट मोर देन द 100 मीटर। लेकिन जब आपकी गाड़ी 100 मीटर और चल जाती है, फिर कितना दिखता है?
Again 100 meters.
फिर आप और 100 मीटर चलते हो, फिर कितना दिखता है?
So that will be the constant. 100 meters ही दिखेगा. You
करेक्ट।
1000.
सो क्या किया आपने? आपने क्या किया? क्लैरिटी। आपको एक्शन लेना पड़ा 100 मीटर चलने का। होता क्या है कि हम लोग, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल, वो एब्सोल्यूट क्लैरिटी के लिए बैठे रहते हैं कि मुझे पूरा दिखाई दे जाए जिंदगी में कि आगे मेरी कैसी जिंदगी चलेगी। ऐसा नहीं होता है लाइफ में। लाइफ में पहले आपको एक्शन लेना पड़ता है। जैसे कि आपने कार 100 मीटर चली तो आगे 100 मीटर दिखाई दिया, 100 मीटर चली तो फिर आगे 100 मीटर दिखाई दिया। आप बोलो कि मैं बैठे बैठे सोचा रहा हूं, ओवर थिंकिंग करता हूं और मुझे सारे सॉल्यूशन जिंदगी के मिल जाए, नहीं मिलेंगे। आपको जितना दिखाई दे रहा है, जितना आपको समझ में आ रहा है, पहले उस पर एक्शन लीजिए। क्या होगा? गलती होगी ना, कोई बात नहीं, उस गलती को सुधार के फिर आगे बढ़ो। दैट इज व्हाट सक्सेसफुल पीपल हैव डन इन द लाइफ। एंड क्लैरिटी इज समथिंग लाइक ए fog light in the night. So those who are listening, I just give an advice: never wait for absolute clarity, whether it is examination, whether it is अरे भाई, आप अप्लाई ही नहीं करोगे तो आपको जॉब कैसे मिलेगा? आप एक्शन तो लोगे ना, एक्शन तो मुझे ही लेना पड़ेगा ना। जब मैं एक्शन, आप बोलो यहाँ मेरे को जॉब मिलता ही नहीं मिलता, अरे तुमने क्या किया है? व्हाट एक्शन यू हैव टेकन? हैव यू networked with the people? Have you applied? Have you sent your resume? That action कौन लेगा? मैं ही लूंगा ना। मैं नहीं लूंगा तो कहां से मुझे सक्सेस मिलेगी? So that kind of clarity. फिर uninterrupted commitment। होता क्या है जिंदगी में, जरा सा भी ऑब्स्टिकल आया, I just give you a very brilliant example. You see, here everybody wants to become a, here you are an unhappy man, here you want to become a happy man. Now अनहैप्पी से हैप्पी होने के लिए या अनसक्सेसफुल से सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए बीच में एक दरिया है। उस दरिया में मगरमच्छ हैं, वहां से वहां पहुंचना है। तो उससे पहुंचने के लिए जो ये ऑब्स्टिकल्स हैं उनको क्रॉस करना पड़ेगा। इट इज लाइक यू आर क्रॉसिंग द चैनल वेयर लॉट ऑफ मगरमच्छ आर देयर। एंड व्हाट आर दोज? What are those magarmach? What are those obstacles? First is your clarity.
Clarity.
Then fear of failure. Then courage. Then having a mentorship on life. Mentors in your life. These are the benchmark. If you have these things, that you don't have a fear, you have a courage, you have a mentor with you, and you have a clarity, you will cross this channel. Now courage क्या है? Courage is that taking action in the presence of fear. Presence of fear. Fear तो भाई एक ऐसा इमोशन है कि वो एजेस से चला आ रहा है, सदियों से चला आ रहा है और वो रहेगा। There is no devoid of fear. उस फियर को ओवरकम करना ही करेज है। पीपल थिंक मेरी जिंदगी में फियर ही नहीं आए, ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता है। यू हैव टू बाय टेकिंग एक्शन, एंड दैट इज द करेज। सो करेज को जो है दवाई की दुकान पे जाके नहीं बोल सकते कि मेडिसिन के मुझे पिल्स दे दे 4, मुझे खा के मैं करीजीस हो जाऊंगा. No, you have to act, you have to take action. Whenever there is a
True.
adverse situation, whenever there is a that is what, if you overcome one after another difficulty, you become courageous. There's no other shortcut.
True. Agree. Step by step progress
Yes,
and step by step efforts will make everything possible. True.
yes. Nobody has reached on the pinnacle just in a flick. Nobody. You name anybody, any successful people. Start from Modi to Bill Gates to anyone. हर एक की आप लाइफ स्टोरी पढ़िए. Everyone has struggled, but they have not given up.
वो कहते हैं ना कि ओवरनाइट सक्सेस जैसा कुछ होता नहीं है. इट टेक्स years and months and years to achieve it. लोग बोलते हैं कि इसने ओवरनाइट सक्सेस कर लिया, बट ऐसा एक्चुअल में कभी होता नहीं है. उसने अपने सालों
हो ही नहीं सकता.
हो ही नहीं सकता है.
किसी के साथ नहीं हुआ है, किसी के साथ भी नहीं हुआ है. Whether it is you, me, or anybody else in the universe.
True, very true.
And one should remember, it is like this. Like सैटेलाइट जाता है ना, सैटेलाइट चलता है, ऐसे चलता है, और जब उसकी एस्केप वेलोसिटी आ जाती है, चला जाता है. Failing, and but what
right example.
Yeah, what you needed is commitment and consistency. 3 very important thing in life. 3 very important. If I may tell my viewers,
आपको अपनी ट्रेजेक्टरी बढ़ानी है, जो सैटेलाइट की लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं. वो टर्न बाय टर्न आपको अपनी ट्रेजेक्टरी एक्सपांड करते जाना है. once you will be on your top.
Yes, 3 very important for being successful in life: courage, commitment, and consistency. Courage to overcome your fears and obstacles. Commitment का मतलब है not those kind of people who say I am interested to become a good football player. I am interested जिसने बोल दिया ना, वो कभी नहीं बन सकता है. The one who says I am committed to become a football player, and commitment and interested में difference यही है. Interested means आपको जहां डिफिकल्टी आए आप घर बैठ जाओगे. मेरे पास अच्छे जूते नहीं है, मेरे पास वहां जो कोच ने मुझे कुछ बोल दिया, you will come back and not sit home. But commitment क्या बोलेगा? Commitment बोलेगा come what may, दुनिया में कुछ भी हो जाए, मुझे ये करना ही है, बनना ही है. And third thing is consistency. You have to be consistent regularly to refine your skills, whatever it is.
True.
ये जब चीजें हैं तो आप सक्सेस की कोई कमी नहीं है. You know how many times I failed? I give you example. I failed 3 times when I was eligible for appearing NDA after 12th. As a 11th I appeared, then 12th. All 3 times I failed in NDA. I want to become army officer, as inspired by that gentleman whom I told you. So did I give it up? No. I enrolled myself in the engineering. I did engineering, but back of mind कहीं था वो कि आर्मी अफसर बनना है.
चाहत थी.
Once I completed that, चाहत थी. So once I completed that, and despite having a secure job, my mother asked me, सब कुछ है तेरे पास, घर के पास भी है, इतना बढ़िया सब कुछ जॉब है, why you want to leave it? But that was my commitment, my consistency, that yes. So that was in 79. 86 mein I got selected. 7 years. 7 years. That is the kind of commitment you should have to yourself if you want to become something.
A will find a way. बोलते हैं ना कि
it means universe will help you. Universe first test you. Universe always will test your courage, your test your कितना शिद्दत से आप किसी चीज को पाना चाहते हो. And once the universe knows, यार इसको तो अब देना ही पड़ेगा, then he will make you.
So, can you explain how? Can you explain your seven-step wow? You call it
Yes.
Wheel of Warrior framework.
Yes. Now, let me just, Vipul, for the sake of understanding and viewers, let me explain why I have come into this scenario. Means how I arrived and what made me to design this framework. Despite that, I am a engineering graduate, I am a communication postgraduate from IIT, then army, which has nothing to do got from the self development or motivational or this thing. How I came. So there is a background to that. So when I was working in the corporate around 11 years consistently in one of the company, I used to wonder by seeing that young people working there in the company, that despite having they must be earning well, सब कुछ ठीक ठाक है, but somehow they are not happy with their life. They are finding it difficult to live a life of a warrior. Warrior I less, fierce. Means जिंदगी चलती जा रही है बस, for the sake of it is living. Because they are stuck in few that they don't have a time for their children, they don't have a time for their parents, they don't have a time for themselves to look after their own health. And all young people of see mid-career, I call it a mid-career professionals, 30 to 40 or 50 or so. And I used to really feel for them, ऐसे लोगों को कैसे help किया जाए. And that is where I decided to upgrade myself first, learn the nuances of self-development department, and then I invested a lot on myself. And while doing this learning, I designed this framework of warrior. 7 letters are there in this. So what is this 7-letter warrior? The W is, first of all, the biggest problem with the people is they have a mindset of fixed mindset. Fixed means growth hai hi nahi. So what mindset you should have? A W means winning mindset. Means you never say that, oh, I can't do that. I'm not eligible for this. It is for me. Means whatever you do, you always say that I am the winner. That is the winning mindset. Second letter in warrior is A. That A signifies that you should have an attitude of gratitude. See, whatever we achieve in the life, or whatever anybody achieve in the life, because of you only. It is because of your parents, it is because of your teachers, it is because of your friends, it is because of your surroundings. So भाई जिंदगी में जो भी कुछ आप हो, be grateful to the universe, be grateful to the people, be grateful to the people around you, that you have attained whatever position because of a lot of other people, not because of you only. So that is the letter A. Third letter is warrior is R. Third letter is R. Now that R means remove the clutter from your life. Now what is the clutter? There could be physical clutter, there could be mental clutter, there could be emotional clutter, there could be, worst thing to nowadays is the digital clutter. Now physical, what is the physical? Physical means there are people who always talk negative. Be away from them. Remove them. Mental clutter. आपके दिमाग में बहुत सारी नेगेटिविटी घूमती रहती है. Read some good books, some biographies, or some motivational books that will help you to unclutter, declutter your mind. What about the digital clutter? Yes, I know your mobile or laptop is a important thing. Yes, you have to work for that professionally, but not because of that you just keep scrolling the reels and just waste your time on that. That is clearing your mind, digital clutter. Have minimum requirement. Whatever is most required, use that much only. So that is remove clutter from your life. Letter third is WARR. The moment you have done use, you have implemented W, you have implemented A, you have implemented R, that is removing clutter, then you are reinvented yourself. Fourth letter R says that you have reinvented yourself, and that reinvention means you are version 2 of yourself. जो वर्जन था वो खत्म हो गया, क्योंकि now you have a winning mindset, now you have an attitude of gratitude, and you also remove the clutter from life, then you are a different person altogether. जब ये चारों चीजें हो गई, next letter is I. Now after this you become inspiration to others. Once you have implemented this all 4 letters, then you become an inspiration to others. And after that, the O means procrastination and the fears. We have been talking about that. Fear is the biggest stumbling block in your life. So fear को हटाओ and procrastination. हम क्या करते हैं? We just keep giving excuses. आज नहीं, कल नहीं, परसों. If you keep procrastinating, result कहाँ से मिलेगा? Result will just like that. So get on to the work. And after this, all 6 steps of WARRIO, last letter is R of warrior. That means you are now going to reap the rewards of life. And I can rest assure you, if you can implement these 6 steps of your life in your life, no matter what, you will be reaping the wonderful rewards of your life. That is warrior. That is a warrior.
So be the warrior. So you had an experience of battlefield leadership. You have worked in army on in all terrains and in all conditions. So how is the battlefield, uh, battlefield leadership different from corporate leadership?
People, here I must say that since you are in the HR professional, I'm sure whatever qualities you are looking for in a candidate, these qualities are there in the army person. So the leadership qualities or leadership requirement is no different what is required in army. It's only the area of work is different. Only the canvas is different. But the fundamental qualities remain the same. Whether you are in a corporate, whether you are a CEO of a company or a MD of a company, or whether you are a manager or anything. But the fundamental qualities remain the same. Now, here I will give you one example. The only difference between the leader and the manager. Army, you can't be successful unless you are a lead, because you are leading a man, and you are not only responsible for objective you want to achieve, responsible for the lives of the man. So everything in the army is that. Whereas in corporate, it is just a revenue. Just a revenue. But let me tell you, if you behave like a manager only, manager means आपने अपने 4 बंदों को आगे लगा दिया, रिसोर्स को, कि तुम काम करो, मैं पीछे से आ रहा हूं, आप सक्सेस नहीं हो सकते. The army lifestyle is that I am in front of you, I am facing the bullet first, then you follow me. Then they will give life for you. But corporate में ये थोड़ा सा उल्टा होता है. मैनेजर क्या करेगा, अपने नीचे वाले रिसोर्सेज को बोलेगा तुम पहले करो, मैं बाद में मैं पीछे से देख रहा हूँ. That is the difference between the leadership and the manager. So
True.
the word lead itself signifies this. Now what is mean? L. Leader is always learning. Leader will never say that I know everything. No, he say I am ready to learn everything anytime, anything from anybody. That is L. E is energize or empower. He always empower his team. He will never think अरे यार मैंने अपनी स्किल इसको बता दी, कहीं मैं मेरे से ऊपर ना निकल जाए. जो कॉर्पोरेट में होता है वो लीडर नहीं है फिर कॉर्पोरेट में, ही इज ए मैनेजर. सो लीडर क्या करता है, स्पेशली इन आर्मी, कि एम्पावर एंड एनर्जाइज हिज टीम फॉर टेकिंग द एक्सट्रीम एक्शन इन लाइफ. इन द लीड इज ए. दैट मीन्स यू एक्सेप्ट द पीपल द वे दे आर. आपकी टीम में जो लोग हैं उनको एक्सेप्ट करो. यस, सारे लोग बराबर होते, कोई ज्यादा स्ट्रांग होगा फिजिकली, कोई कम स्ट्रांग होगा. सो व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर इज दैट जो वीक है, द वे टू मेक हिम स्ट्रांग, और जो उसकी स्ट्रेंथ है उस स्ट्रेंथ पे कैपिटलाइज करो अपनी टीम में. So the third letter of lead is accept the people. And the fourth letter is D. D means that you take a decision and be responsible for that. Don't blame others. Leader is the one, for anything wrong done by his team member, he will say, I am responsible. He will not put a blame on his juniors. तो लीडर का मतलब ही ये है, which somehow at times you lack in that. But if these attributes are also followed in the corporate,
Leaders are the one who give credit of the winning to the entire team, but जब there is a loss, then he take the responsibility. So that was very true.
means leading from the front, lead
Leading
from the
from
front.
the front. Leading from the front.
And whatever is the result after that, you are the first one to take responsibility.
At the end, what made you to have a success, to leave a successful corporate IT career and inspire you to become a passionpreneur? So what was the driving factor?
So Bipul, when I saw this environment in the corporate, people are not living their life the way they should live. Rather than they are struggling. They are struggling at a family front. They are struggling at a personal front, health front. Okay, they don't know how to manage their life itself, finances, and because they don't have time for themselves. And होता क्या है, लाइफ में विपुल, दैट हमारे पास, सबके पास ये 24 घंटे हैं. उन 24 घंटे में कुछ लोग बड़े सक्सेसफुल हैं एंड कुछ लोग वही स्ट्रगल करते रहते हैं. तो आप देखिए एक चीज, हाउ द डिफरेंस कम्स. द डिफरेंस कम्स बिकॉज दे डोंट नो हाउ टू लिव लाइफ. 8 घंटे आप ऑफिस में रहे, 8 घंटे आप सोने में निकल गए, ठीक है, 16 घंटे खत्म हो गए. अब जो 8 घंटे ये जो बचे हैं, इन 8 घंटों को जो गेनफुली यूटिलाइज करेगा, क्रिएटिवली यूटिलाइज करेगा, ही विल एक्सेल इन लाइफ. बट उन 8 घंटों में आपने टीवी देखने में, आपने पिक्चर देखने में, आपने मोबाइल पे, आपने उस पर वेस्ट कर दिए, तो ना आपके पास टाइम अपनी हेल्थ के लिए है, ना आपके पास आगे कोई क्रिएटिविटी के लिए है. तो उस 8 घंटे में से जो बचे हैं आपके पास, क्योंकि सोना जरूरी है, प्रोफेशन काम करना भी जरूरी है, रिमेनिंग 8 घंटे में से आपने जिसने भी 2-4 घंटे आपने अपने सेल्फ ग्रोथ के लिए निकाल लिए, ही विल बी सक्सेसफुल. तो जब ये डाइकोटमी और डिस्क्रिपेंसी, व्हेन आई सॉ दिस, I realized how to help this community of mid-career professional. And that is where I decided to first upgrade myself, learn myself the nuances of this self-development, and impart that knowledge to I have mentored many of the people, and they have really been successful. Some people were very fearful even entering into the lift. They don't want to enter into the lift. I made them so fearless. कुछ लोग स्टेज पे चढ़ के एक वर्ड नहीं बोल पाते, but then the same lady, जब उनके फादर का रिटायरमेंट हुआ तो सी was on the stage and spoke for 20 minutes continuously.
Wow.
So these are the things, because I wanted to give back to the society in what, because of me one person's life changes. I'm thankful for that. So that was the whole idea behind doing this.
So,
Passion
so
project.
that's a great initiative, and you rightly said कि इंडिया जो है, भारत इज अ कंट्री ऑफ यूथ. सो दुनिया में मतलब जो एवरेज यूथ की बात करें तो इंडिया में वो सबसे ज़्यादा ऐसा बोलते हैं. And you are mentoring them, guiding them, so that's a great, that's actually a need of an hour. So according to you, for our youth audience, how can a young professional build discipline and resilient in their early career, early life?
See, बड़ा सिंपल तरीका है. जहां तक डिसिप्लिन का सवाल है, whether it is your health or whether it is your profession, you must understand that, as I mentioned to you, as far as your health is concerned, जब तक आपकी हेल्थ है सब कुछ है. You are responsible for yourself. एक सेंटेंस मैं हमेशा बताता हूं लोगों को, remember, my life is my responsibility, my obligation, and my duty, success and my happiness. The day you stop blaming others for your failures and for your success, you will be very happy person. Because the moment you start blaming, you stop taking action. The moment you start taking responsibility, whatever my life, it is because of me, then you will start improving yourself and taking action. So it's very important to take the ownership of all the responsibilities in your life. The moment you do that, you start taking action and you start progressing. Life में एक चीज याद रखो, either you can have excuse or you can have a result. The moment you have an excuse, you can't have a result. आपके बॉस ने कुछ काम दिया, आप 4 एक्सक्यूज लेके पहुंच गए, रिजल्ट कभी आएगा ही नहीं. एक मैं और छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूं. Work done, how it is taken work done into a corporate. Work done is equal to work not done plus very important excuse, very genuine excuse, okay, is equal to work done. This is a short formula for failure. आपको जिंदगी में फेल होना है ना, शॉर्ट फॉर्मूला है कि आप वर्क नॉट डन प्लस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वेरी जेन्युइन एक्सक्यूज इज इक्वल टू वर्क डन. बट सक्सेस होने का फॉर्मूला इज ओनली वर्क डन इज इक्वल टू वर्क डन. You must have seen in the life, there are many people in our cricket team, they lost their fathers, they could not reach on the cremation, but they continued with the playing.
True.
Many examples. That is called work done. But
Even
why people suffer? Because they think without taking any action, we should feel successful. Without doing the work, we should be successful.
So ये सब के लिए एक ऐसा वर्ड बोल सकते कि पर्पस drives the entire
Yes.
game. So
Yeah.
so what role does purpose play in long term success?
देखो, नाउ लेट मी जस्ट गिव यू द डेफिनेशन ऑफ पर्पज और गोल. जब तक आपकी जिंदगी में पर्पज नहीं है, आपकी लाइफ रिडंडेंट है. यू हैव टू हैव ए पर्पज इन योर लाइफ. पर्पज नहीं होगा, इट इज समथिंग लाइक दैट. आप बॉम्बे से लंदन जाना चाहते हैं, ठीक है. अब बॉम्बे से लंदन जाने के लिए आपके पास एक पर्पज है कि मुझे लंदन जाना है. तो आप शिप में बैठे तो आप कंपास लगाओगे कि मुझे बॉम्बे से लंदन का जो डिग्री है उस पर जाना है. तो इसने क्या किया, आपको डायरेक्शन दी. डायरेक्शन दी क्योंकि आपको लंदन जाना है तो उतने डिग्री पे आपको चलना है. लेकिन लंदन की बजाय आपको यही पता नहीं मुझे जाना कहाँ है, तो फिर आपकी किश्ती तो समुद्र में कहीं भी जाके डूब जाएगी ना.
True.
So the purpose of life it gives you direction कि मुझे करना क्या है लाइफ. आपके पर्पज ही नहीं होगा, गोल ही नहीं होगा, तो आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे. आपको डायरेक्शन क्या होगी. फिर तो बोलोगे डॉक्टर भी बनना है, इंजीनियर भी बनना है, फुटबॉलर भी बनना है, म्यूजिशियन भी बनना है. सब कुछ कैसे होगा. That is why you should have a clear cut purpose. मुझे करना क्या है, और वही क्लैरिटी है. यस, शुरू में आपके पास एकदम 100% क्लैरिटी नहीं होगी. आप जिस डायरेक्शन में जाना चाहते हो उस डायरेक्शन में कम से कम तो सही तो क्लैरिटी आएगी. और मैं एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. मेरी सोसाइटी में कुछ बच्चे हैं जो क्रिकेट भी खेलते हैं, फुटबॉल भी खेलते हैं, सब कुछ खेलते हैं. उनमें एक बच्चा है, बहुत स्वीट बच्चा है, वो बहुत अच्छा खेलता है और सब गेम अच्छा खेलता है. सब गेम अच्छा खेलता है, मैंने देखता रहता हूँ उसको. तो एक दिन मैंने उससे पूछा, मैंने बच्चे क्या बनना चाहते हो तुम, क्रिकेटर बनना चाहते हो फुटबॉलर. अभी मुझे पता नहीं अंकल, पापा तो कहते हैं कि तू फुटबॉलर बन जा, और मुझे क्रिकेट भी अच्छा लगता है. Young, he is exploring himself. थोड़ा 10-12 साल का होगा, 15 साल का होगा, then he will realize yes I am better at cricket or better at football.
True.
उसको क्लैरिटी अभी नहीं है, बट क्लैरिटी टाइम के साथ आती है. बट दैट उसको ये पता नहीं है कि वो दोनों काम छोड़ दे. he is trying both the things and over a period of time he will come to know.
True.
So purpose is like a Google map. आपका गूगल मैप में इट सेट्स यू डायरेक्शन कि यस मुझे ये अचीव करने के लिए ऐसे चलना है. और फिर उस पर्पज को, उस गोल को आप बाइसेक्ट कीजिए. फर्स्ट माइलस्टोन, सेकंड माइलस्टोन, थर्ड माइलस्टोन. बिकॉज आपने यदि डायरेक्ट यार मुझे 200 करोड़ जो है कंपनी में लाना है बाय एंड ऑफ ईयर, आप 200 करोड़ सोच के आप पागल हो जाओगे. यू हैव टू बाइसेक्ट दैट. यू हैव टू से दैट यस फर्स्ट क्वार्टर में मैं भाई 50 लाऊंगा. और फर्स्ट क्वार्टर को भी आपने महीनों में डिवाइड किया, यार इस महीने में मैं कम से कम 15 CR होना चाहिए, तो दूसरे में 20 हो जाएगा, फिर तीसरे में 15 हो जाएगा, तो मेरा 50 हो जाएगा. तो आपने क्या किया, अपने जो गोल है उसको पहले आपने डिवाइड किया स्टेप्स में, और फिर एक एक करके, सो दैट यू डोंट गेट overwhelmed. And here
one at a time.
Yes, one at a time. And what is that is why we call it a smart goal. That means S for specific. You should be specific. Then it should be measurable. हाँ, मुझे भाई 5 वजन घटाना है, मुझे ये तुम्हारा स्मार्ट गोल हो गया. वजन घटाना 5 kg घटाना है मुझे, ये तुम्हारा मेजरेबल हो गया. फिर SMA अचीवेबल. हाँ भाई मैं 6 महीने के अंदर 5 किलो वेट कम कर लूंगा. अचीवेबल होना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि आप बोलो कि भाई मैं 6 दिन के अंदर 5 किलो, इट्स नॉट अचीवेबल. तो स्पेसिफिक हो गया, मेजरेबल हो गया, अचीवेबल हो गया. देन R, सो टारगेट ओरिएंटेड, आपको एक डायरेक्शन में लेके जाती है, विच मेक्स यू फुल इन दैट डायरेक्शन. पर्पज कि विदाउट तो वैसे ही नहीं बोलते कि हम घर में नहीं बोलते हैं यार तेरा जिंदगी में कोई पर्पज ही नहीं है तो फिर जिंदगी जी रहा है. पर्पज तो
Right.
हैज टू बी देयर.
So, how does organizations cultivate a warrior mindset
Yeah.
within team?
Can you repeat again?
Yeah. So, how can organizations cultivate a warrior mindset within team?
Yes. When the team, first of all, the team has to understand, has to that once you are working in the organization, they should like their own. They should think that this is, if I am an employee of some organization, that I should take it as if this is my business. The employer should also treat them like that. They are stakeholder of my organization. And employer should also think that I am a stakeholder in this. Okay. जब ये फीलिंग आ जाएगी, this feeling comes कि I am a stakeholder of this organization, then he will start feeling responsible. Then he will not worry कि मैं 8 घंटे पूरा किया और I am okay. Then he will say whatever I am supposed to do or whatever I am supposed to produce or create, I will complete that. Not that he will pass the time. That responsibility, once it comes into the or employer, then it is taking you towards the warrior mindset. Means you are achiever, you are achieving something. Thing is that टीम स्पिरिट लाने के लिए, बीच में टीम के लोगों को कोहेसिव बनाने के लिए, take them for something where you do those activities where they employ as a team and find the solution to its problems given. There are many programs like that which can be done. The team members, they join hands to solve those problems. And ultimately, 3 things which I said need to be cultivated is that you should have clarity, what specific the person is given to do. Then person should know that what commitment he has to be committed, and then he is performing. It's not a one-day affair. Because so long as you are being paid in any organization, you have to be self-accountable. Nobody else is going to watch you. Nobody can watch you 124/7. You have to watch yourself. And once you have that accountability, commitment, consistency, warrior mindset अपने आप ही हो जाएगा. Then you are winning mindset. फिर ये है कि whatever small achievement you always celebrate. If you are failure in somewhere, celebrate that also. Yeah, so what if I fail now? I will make it up next time. That is some of the practical things. Always celebrate, whether success or even the failure, you must celebrate. Mind should understand, yes, so what if this happens now? Next time we will do it.
Right. So be accountable of
yourself. And of course, between the employer and the employees, it should be in such a way that feeling of belonging to the organization, stakeholder, that if it is inculcated, you don't have to supervise. And that comes with the trust, mutual trust. There is a book called Key Person of Influence. Key person of influence. Mean then that person who become like a stakeholder in the organization, he become a KPI.
Wow.
हम बोलते हैं ना key performance, but this is KPI, means key person of. The day he become a key person of influence in the organization, he is a warrior.
be the hero.
Yeah, be the hero. Then comes in that inner circle where, because he has treated that organization like his own stakeholder, as if it is my baby. When everybody start thinking it is my baby, you can think of that how the organization flourish. But at the same time, that people also should be treated accordingly.
So, if you had to define leadership in one sentence, what
Yeah.
would it be?
Yes. So leadership is nothing but being responsible to whatever you are assigned to do, being self accountable, whatever you are assigned to do, or team which entrusted their trust in you, you live up to their expectation. Means empower those, energize them. It is not that I will remain the leader. Your responsibility is also that you make your people under you also a leader. You take them to that leadership level also.
Wow.
So, as I mentioned, leadership is the first is he is a lifelong learner, dream student. He is a lifelong learner. He is a dream student. Then he is the one who empowers others, energize, empower. He doesn't pull down. Then कोई वीक होगा, कोई स्ट्रांग होगा, सबको एक्सेप्ट करके उनको एक कोहेसिव टीम बनाना. And finally, he takes decision, whatever decision he takes, he become responsible for those decisions.
So, what advice would you give to someone going through a major life transition? So, what will be your final advice or final words for our
Uh,
audience?
a few things which I will tell you, Bipul, is first thing is that लाइफ जो है ना एक पिरामिड की तरह है. It is a pyramid. I hope everybody has seen the बुर्ज खलीफा. तो बुर्ज खलीफा जैसी बिल्डिंग जिंदगी में बनाने के लिए आप लाइफ को ऐसे सोचो कि आपको बुर्ज खलीफा है बनना है. तो इतनी बड़ी जब बिल्डिंग बुर्ज खलीफा बनाना है तो उसका बेस कितना स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए? इट हैज टू बी वेरी स्ट्रांग. अदरवाइज उसके ऊपर इतनी बड़ी बिल्डिंग नहीं बन सकती है. और उस बेस में क्या होना चाहिए, लाइफ के बेस में क्या होना चाहिए? आपने बेस बनाया पहले और उसके ऊपर बिल्डिंग बनाएंगे. ऐसे ही बनती है ना बिल्डिंग. तो ये जो बेस है इसमें 4 चीजें बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है, rather 4 or 5. फर्स्ट इज फिजिकल हेल्थ, मेंटल हेल्थ, इमोशनल हेल्थ, सोशल हेल्थ एंड स्पिरिचुअल हेल्थ. भाई लोगों, सबसे पहले इस पे काम करो. कीप योरसेल्फ फिजिकली फिट, मेंटली रोबस्ट, इमोशनली स्ट्रांग, सोशली एमिनेबल. देन फाइनली स्पिरिचुअली एनलाइटन. बेस जिंदगी का यदि आपके ये बेस स्ट्रांग है, दुनिया की कोई ताकत नहीं है जो आपको फेल कर सके. आई कैन गारंटी यू दैट.
Well said. That's
जॉब एक जा
very true.
सकता है, जॉब 2 जा सकते हैं, लेकिन लाइफ नहीं जाएगी. जब तक लाइफ है जॉब अपने आप आएगा.
You'll find another one, better
इन
one.
चीजों में यस यू विल गेट बेटर. बिकॉज सी एनीथिंग इज अ वेरी मिनिस्कुल पार्ट ऑफ अ लाइफ. लाइफ इज टू बिग अ थिंग. As I always mention, life is more important than anything else in the life. And उस लाइफ का जो बेस है वो मैंने जो 5 चीजें आपको बताई, इस बेस को स्ट्रॉन्ग करो. उसके ऊपर फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम है, टाइम फ्रीडम है, उसके ऊपर निर्वाणा है, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, वो सब अपने आप आती चली जाएंगी. उसके लिए एक सेपरेट हम सेशन कभी करेंगे, तब बताएंगे
For
डिटेल
sure.
में.
Would
बट
love.
फंडामेंटली राइट, आई विल टेल यू दैट बेस तुम्हारा सबसे स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, चाहे वो किसी भी फील्ड में हो और किसी भी एज ग्रुप में हो.
That was amazing. Loved the session, your guidance, your insights, and as you rightly said, एक अलग वो टॉपिक तो एक अलग हो जाता है, उसके ऊपर हम एक पूरा सेशन पॉडकास्ट कर सकते हैं. वुड लव टू हैव इट, डू इट अगेन वेरी सून. सो थैंक यू सो मच सर, इट वाज अमेजिंग. जस्ट लव द कन्वर्जेशन. काफ़ी अच्छा लगा कन्वर्जेशन. ऐसा लगा कि ये बस चलता ही रहे, एंड वाज रियली एंजॉयिंग इट. एंड बस विशिंग यू द बेस्ट. आप ऐसे ही यूथ को इंस्पायर करते रहे, यूथ को गाइड करते रहे. ऐसी शुभकामनाएं, ऐसी बेस्ट विशेस. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर joining us today and sharing your real life experience. Thank you so much.
Vipul, it was my pleasure to be part of this show, wonderful show, and it was pleasure talking to you, and thank you so much for inviting.
It's our pleasure, sir. Thank you so much. Jai Hind. Milte hain, sir.
Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Hind.
Yes, friends. So I'm sure session आप लोगों ने enjoy किया होगा, and this was very inspiring to listen from such a veteran आर्मी मैन. एंड काफ़ी लर्निंग, काफ़ी इंस्पिरेशन मिली. बस ऐसे ही जुड़े रहिए हमसे. एवरी फ्राइडे 6 PM हम ऐसे ही एक्सपर्ट को आपके साथ रूबरू कराएंगे, आपको उनका नॉलेज, उनका रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करवाएंगे. आप अपनी कुछ क्वेरीज हो तो उनको कमेंट में डेफिनेटली पोस्ट कीजिए. विल मेक श्योर कि यू विल गेट द आंसर फ्रॉम आवर एक्सपर्ट ऑफ द डे. सो बस ऐसे ही मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीक ऐसे ही इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट के साथ. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Vipul the Wonderful, and press the bell icon to get our regular updates. With that note, this session was powered by Post Resume, so check our website. Do connect with us if you're looking for any support, any services. We'll be happy to help you. So with that note, stay blessed, keep smiling. See you next week. Thank you so much.